to the Tiki Girl channel. I'm going to talk to you about this FDA Led Face Mask review. This is the Newkey Multifunctional Phototherapy Mask, which will help you achieve smoother, healthier, and more youthful skin. This mask makes use of natural light to treat various skin conditions fast and naturally. Some of the conditions that this mask can treat include uneven skin, scarring, discoloration, wrinkles, large pores, as well as oiliness. By using this mask for about 10 to 20 minutes daily, your skin will not only feel soft, but also look radiant. This spa quality skin mask treatment can be used at the convenience at your own home. So this is your one-stop solution to all your skincare needs. And this is inspired by the Korean Beauty Dermashines Light Therapy Mask, which provides you 7 different light colors to treat a myriad of skin problems. And this UV-free, non-heat producing LEDs penetrate your facial tissue to boost collagen, clear and tighten your skin, reduce lines and wrinkles, and improve the skin color, and much, much more. So what I also like about this is that it is safe, natural, comfortable, and simple to use. So this light face mask uses the latest in light technology and poly materials, making it safe, comfortable, natural, and reusable. So your skin absorbs light energy, which then treats your skin depending on the color that is used. So I'm going to show to you how to put this mask on. So basically, I'm just putting it over my head, letting you know how comfortable it is. And I'm also going to demonstrate to you what the colors of each of these colors mean. So this is a new LED light technology. It has 150 LED lights upgraded to emit the most optimal wavelengths of 5 levels of intensity. So I'm going to show you and explain to you what each of these 7 colors mean. So the red light increases blood flow and collagen. And then the green light improves your pigmentation, fine lines, and anti-aging. This blue light calms and tightens your skin. The light blue also helps soothing your skin. The yellow light smooths the skin and reduces redness. This purple light is used for relaxing and improves the skin as well. And finally, this new white light improves skin color. So this is like the best of both worlds, all in one little simple machine. So this package comes with 7 color LED light mask, an eye protection, a USB power cable, which is easy to use, and a controller to switch the buttons in between by the color intensity and built-in timer. And it also has an elastic adjustable strap to keep your face mask fixated towards your head and your face. The reason why I made this video is based on my personal and professional experience, and based off of the real results that I have seen on my face. Also, I like that it is so easy to use and portable, and it's perfect for all skin types. And it's also ideal for both men and women. I really take education in what I do and research seriously, so I wanted to make sure that I give you all the information and tips that I know. And I hope you have nothing, and most important of all, you have nothing to lose and clear, healthier looking skin to gain. So I hope you can learn and take from it what you need, and I hope it answers all the questions that you may have. I hope that you'd enjoy this video, and thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, and give me a thumbs up. And if you are interested in purchasing LED light face mask, please click the links below, and don't forget to check out my website at www.thetikigirl.com. Mahalo and happy shopping!